As promised, here is the video on an A+ setup I took in the community, also with the community, but one of my trades that was really good to take on the Monday in an NFP week. So let me go over the plan. First of all, let me show you some, where's the Discord? Here's the Discord. This was on Monday, the October 2nd, right? And I shared this with the gang on my phone, actually. I saw this. I was like, I want to see a pop-up into this fair value gap and then a sell-off to the sell-side liquidity. And what I was looking at the charts was this. Last week we had this move down and then back up, the move up into a daily fair value gap. And it respected that. So for me that confirmed we still had a bearish bias, right? So I was looking to short. So with this liquidity already be taken, then rebalancing this gap, those are a lot of times the things you see. Taking liquidity, rebalancing, taking liquidity, rebalancing, so on and so forth. So what I was looking at was a short trade. So when I got over to the lower time frames, I noticed this 4-hour fair value gap. And when I zoomed in a bit more on the 1 hour, I also noticed that there was some sort of market maker sell model to make out of this. So everything lined up. This daily fair value gap being respected, this move up was exactly at the 4 standard deviations. Then we shifted market structure over here and we had the 4-hour fair value gap. So when the day opened, that was the daily open gap, and we got into the London keel zone. Oh, here it already is. Let me go one. Oh no, this is okay. So let me just leave it like that. Let me zoom in a bit more. In London, we got the pop up, right? We got the pop into the 4-hour fair value gap, but I was like, it cannot go, or at least not on the 4-hour close above, because then it's not respecting it. So I was waiting for some sort of structure shift on lower time frames to see if I could enter somewhere. And when it started to come back down and started to lose this low, and it's a little bit riskier to do it like this, I was like, all right, when it pops back up here, I will just short. So I got in about here, somewhere around here. Let me check. Yeah, still on the sidelines, 9:24 a.m. What is that time? That's 3:24. All right, this is 25. So yeah, around here I was on the sidelines, and then I shouted, I'm in. So as you can see on the 1 minute, I somewhere marketed in here. I placed my stop above the high, and that was it. And let me see that, yeah, that was around this level. So something like that. So when it popped back up, I just marketed into the trade. And then I was looking to the end goal, at least, was of course the sell side liquidity over here. But I did take profit over here on this sell side and on the mean threshold of this 1-hour order block. So somewhere around here, that was. And eventually close the trade over here. I think I made around 3.5 on this because I took a lot of profits over here and over here because it's NFP week and I didn't want to risk a lot. But this was the trade. It's an A+ setup if you ask me, and with everything aligned. Bearish bias, the market structure shift, a bigger, higher time frame PD array respecting. So yeah, this was it. I think it's a really, really awesome trade, and look for these kind of setups because these are the ones that are solid. These are the ones that let's see what it did actually. Let me just forward it, but it was just it plummeted down, right? And it went to target. So this was the trade, and you really want to get into the low resistance liquidity run. So get in on the manipulation up. This is a power of 3 move, right? So the manipulation up and then take the distribution down. And this way you can get in on the wick of the daily candle and trade it down. So if we go to the daily and we look at the daily candle, this is exactly where we got in the wick. And then we trade it down to the sell side. So that's how you want to approach your trades, or at least those are, in my opinion, the higher likely probable trade setups. So let me see if I posted anything more. No, it's just from internal range liquidity to external. Yes, dumping. Oh yeah, market make sell model. Oh yeah. Here, I will TP at sell side liquidity. So that was that line, and around mean threshold, 1 hour OB. So this was it. This was the trade. It's an awesome trade, and I love these kind of trades. So if you want to join the community, please know that, let me get the information up. Because my course isn't ready yet, it will be up from November 1st, and I will start to drop videos from next upcoming week. But because of that, the first 50 members, or until 1st of November is reached, will only pay the 44 per month. So, and that amount stays that way. It's not going higher or something like that. That's just your subscription, right? After that, the first 50 members that come after that, after the 1st of November, or after 50 members, whichever is reached first, they're going to pay 55 a month, and then 77. And I will do a max capacity on the Discord for 200 members, because I don't want this to be like a massive Discord. It's also not meant to be a whole kind of business for me. I just like to teach. I coach entrepreneurs. I teach all the time. So for me, I love to help people. But I also do know that if people don't pay, they don't pay attention. So that's why I ask for a small amount to get serious people in here. And no thrill seekers, no only signal seekers. It's really a Discord to help you become a better trader. Of course, I give my trade ideas and stuff like that, but I really want you to become a better trader. So it's the mentorship, it's the trade setups, it's the course. I do 1 or 2 live streams a week. You get weekly outlooks on my bias, how I look at the charts, what I think we can expect for the next upcoming week. And of course, I will help you build your mindset around trading. And we have lovely people in there. So no stupid people. I don't want stupid people. So I hope my vibe attracts my tribe. Let's put it like that. So this is it actually. And we have 16 members in right now. So if you would like to join, this is the easiest way and also the cheapest way to join. And I love doing this. So hope to see you in the community, and otherwise somewhere here on my YouTube channel. Of course, there's a link in the description for this specific community, but of course I will upload my YouTube with all kinds of stuff, because I love to share and also share more about setups and stuff like that. So have a really nice day, and don't get chopped up in NFP today. Please don't. And I hope to see you in the next one. Bye bye.